In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear wiper blade on this Lincoln Navigator. The location for this is right along your rear tailgate. Let's get into it. All right, friends, let's get started on our job. We're going to come right over here, grab onto the wiper arm, and just underneath this area where my index finger is, there's a small squeeze tab on the wiper blade. Squeeze that in up against the arm and remove the blade from the arm. Let's get ready to install our wiper blade. Lift up on the arm, slide it into the hook, listen for a click, give it a tug to make sure it's secure, put it back in the resting position. Okay friends, we finished our installation. At this point, go ahead and hop inside the passenger compartment, put the key in the on position, and test its functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.